Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Our environment is made up of different species of plants, forest, flowers, animals which make up the biotic component, whereas mountains, waterfalls, beautiful beaches are the components of the abiotic system. Among all the species, human beings is the most evolved one, that is Homo sapiens. Mother Earth has given its resource and we human beings has used it to the fullest. It was rightly said by Mahatma Gandhi that there is enough resource for everyone's need but not for everyone's greed. Human beings have been exploiting Mother Earth through deforestation, urbanization, mining, forest fire for agriculture, pollution, population, oil spill, etc. We human beings had always tried to receive from earth and never thought of returning something back to it. So when environment is at risk, it starts healing itself. It heals itself by causing natural disaster like earthquake, tsunami, flood, pandemic like corona, swine flu, etc. So it's high time. Before earth heal itself and cause destruction in our lives, we should try to bring small changes in our lives to save earth. First of all, happy World Environment Day. We know that environment is very important for us. If we didn't be aware today, then it will be too late for us. By doing some small actions, we can give our contribution. Planting trees. Trees are very important for our environment. They have several benefits. They provide oxygen, food, and even clean environment by absorbing carbon dioxide. They even stop soil erosion and keep topsoil intact. Next is by not wasting water. Water is a scarce resource and it should be used wisely. By using less of electricity, by reducing our use, by reusing the substance, by recycling, by avoiding plastic bags and making paper and cloth bag at the quarantine time, by saving rainwater and using it for washing clothes, utensils, vehicles, etc. Solar panel may also be used as a good alternative for electricity. Use cycle or go walking for short distance. Use more of public transport as compared to private vehicle. So these are some of the small actions by which we can give our contribution in saving the earth. So on this Environment Day, we must take a pledge to save our earth and make its life a few years longer. Thank you for listening to me and giving your precious time here.